Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off the Autostart feature for the Mega app on your desktop computer like Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let us guide you through this. So obviously guys, you can't do this for the web version of the Mega app, but you can do this for the desktop version, right? So what you want to do is, here while the Mega app is running on your computer, right click into it here in the bottom right and navigate to its settings here. From there, what you want to do is navigate to the General tab, and from there you will see that option Launch at Login. Turn that off. You may close the settings here, and if that hasn't fixed the issue guys, there's also option number 2. You may navigate to your computer's task manager, then navigate to processes here, and then skip from processes to Autostart. As you can see, the interface language, it's not English for me, so it will be in your interface language, but there will be a card here or a tab called Autostart or Startup or something like that for the computer. And then what you want to do is look for the Mega app. Here, there it is. Right click into it and then turn it off. Right, it's the uppermost option. Turn off the startup or auto start at when you launch your computer. You will see this the status here, either turned on or turned off. So make sure that it's turned off, and that should fix the issue, guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.